2.3. Introducing the concept of centering and standardizing the data. 2.3.1. Centering the data. Centering the data is as important as it is simple. By definition, to center is to place in the middle. Centering is subtracting the average to each value that has been measured. In other words, xi will be replaced by xi minus x bar, where x bar is the average calculated over the xi. These two graphical outputs are the same in terms of distribution. The only difference is that the center of the second output is the origin of the graphic. In other words, the mean of the centered data is equal to 0. 2.3.2. Standardizing the data. Understanding this idea is the key to understanding statistics. You will see that standardized data will allow you to compare variables that are not a priori comparable. Am I bigger than you or small? You will be able to answer that question with standardized data. By definition, when data are standardized, their variance is equal to 1, hence, their standard deviation is also equal to 1. By construction, standardized data have no unit of measurement. These values represent the number of standard deviation that separate an individual from the average individual. Knowing that with a normal distribution, 95% of the realizations lie between more or less 2 standard deviations, actually 1.96, from the average, when a standardized data is higher than 2 in absolute value, it means that the individual is quite peculiar regarding the variable of interests. Exercise. Please read the following article and play with the code.